academy in factory, this is what we are now introducing, working together with the industry and also the relevant government agencies. We have issues of supply of workers and also the right kind of talent that the industry require. And we are now working with the industry, we are now working with the academia and also the relevant ministries and agencies. We're going to create what we call right place for investors, the right job, the right kind of talent. And I believe that we can really keep the momentum of our productivity growth, growing. And we hope we can create more jobs. We hope we can also reduce significantly dependent on foreign labours. And what is more important, really moving the country into a high-income nation, create more jobs, and also better livelihood of all Malaysians. Thank you everyone for having contributed and participated in this initiative. I would like to thank the industries, the ministry agencies who have been with us for the last 2 days. We are putting things together, but what is most important is executing what we have planned and also strategies that we have agreed. Thank you again everyone. I hope to see things happening on ground and we will see the results in this very near future.